All right. Okay. Clearborn here. We're back with. You'll hear the introduction, by the way, so you can just go ahead.
Okay, hi. So, once a molecule, a drug for a certain disease has been discovered, there's actually a lot of steps that has to be followed to get it on the market, to get it on the shelf, to get it in a pharmacy. So, part of the process is to determine the dosage, meaning how much should you take, what's the intervals, meaning the time, is it 1 in the morning, 3 times a day? So there's actually research being done while you develop this drug on how much to take. Then another thing is the stability, the shelf life of it. So there's studies done to determine should this medication be put in the fridge or should it be put on a shelf, how long is it safe on the shelf. Also, after you've discovered the molecule, then you just have a molecule. So the dosage form, meaning in what form should the human take it? Is it a syrup? Is it for kids? Then we make it a syrup or a lollipop or something like that. Is it for adults? So we do a tablet. What's best, a tablet or a capsule? And that also goes hand in hand with the stability, because in what form you put it, it also determines the stability. And then after that, there's many other questions like the toxicity. I usually use the cancer medication, the chemotherapy as an example. In order to fight the cancer, it's actually a very toxic chemicals that they give the humans. So most drugs are actually very toxic. So we need to determine how toxic is it. What is the level of safety that you can safely administer this drug to humans. So there's many other steps that needs to follow after you've discovered your molecule before you can put it in the pharmacy and on the market.
Wow. Okay. That's a nice presentation with. Did you introduce your name?
No, anyone. It's just me.
It doesn't matter. It's just her. All right, Northwest University here in South Africa, Potchefstroom campus. Of course, we're here for conference, and you ever heard, the lady, explaining and breaking it down. I mean, that's really intellectual and intelligent, I suppose. So I'm sure you've learned something. Subscribe to that video on the YouTube, and please, I like that smile though. All right, guys. Later. Cool.